In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Facebook Lite from Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So if you are trying to install Facebook Lite but you are unsuccessful, then follow these steps to fix this problem. In the first method, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store and make sure you are first logged in with your Gmail to install Facebook Lite. However, if you had tried with your account logged in but you were unsuccessful, then you need to go ahead and tap on this profile icon here and then scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for this option called network preferences, and here you should see quite a number of options. Go ahead and choose app download preference. You can see we have various options such as over any network, over Wi-Fi only, or ask me every time. Make sure you choose the first option, over any network, and tap on OK. At this point, try and download Facebook Lite and you should be able to install it. However, if you're still experiencing a challenge, then you need to go back to your app, and that is Play Store app, and here it is, and you need to access the app info page to troubleshoot this problem. So if I long press on this app, you can see we have this option for app info. For your case, if you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Just tap on it to take you to the app information page, or alternatively you can access app info page through settings. Once you are here, you need to go ahead and clear the app data, and more especially cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store. Of importance is this cache data. These are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But when these files accumulate, they might cause this Play Store app to malfunction. To fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. And from here, restart your smartphone and open Play Store and search for your app. So I'll go ahead and search for Facebook Lite. Facebook Lite, here it is. From here, I'll tap on it, then install it. And now you can see after doing this, now I'm able to install the app. And here I have the app now. I can now proceed and tap on open to log in and start using this app. So that's how you can fix can't install Facebook Lite from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.